enthusiasts like you. So let's dive in. Microsoft is hiring cloud network engineering interns across multiple locations in India. This is your chance to work with one of the world's leading tech giants, building innovative solutions and gaining hands-on experience with cutting-edge network technologies. Sounds exciting, right? As a cloud network engineering intern, you'll design and develop robust, scalable network infrastructures. You'll collaborate with experts to ensure seamless deployment and security, gain hands-on experience in automated testing and troubleshooting, and learn how to manage large-scale network operations. Now, let's talk about who can apply. If you're pursuing a bachelor's or master's degree in electrical engineering, optical engineering, computer science, information technology, or a related field, this is for you. And here's the catch. You need to have at least one semester or term remaining after the internship. What makes this opportunity even more amazing is what Microsoft offers. You'll develop deep technical expertise, work on real-world challenges, and grow your network with peers and professionals from across the globe. Plus, Microsoft provides incredible perks like industry-leading healthcare, learning resources, discounts, and generous time off. If you're interested, don't miss out. Apply through the link I've shared in the description below. This is your opportunity to be part of Microsoft's mission to empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Anjali for more exciting updates. Let's learn and grow together. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.